Myself, Dr. Samir. I came from Kolkata. I am working in Central Hospital. So it is a good course that minimal invasive spine and pain intervention full endoscopic procedure is good for the beginners. You can learn each and every bits of the procedure, step, technique from anatomy, discussion. It is a hybrid course, 6 months, and you will get hands-on during only in cadaver. Here when you came to the center, you will see live cases. This is purely observership this time, and hands-on will be on cadaver. Good for the beginners. Whenever you is a pain physician, you want to start your journey at next level, even after career maybe 10 years, 15 years, you should step up from pain physician to spine specialist. So become spine and pain specialist. You should start your journey someday. So it is a good course to start your journey from IPSC. Thank you.